Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. This would be a quick market update analysis based on yesterday's market analysis video. So let's start the video with what we discussed yesterday. Yesterday, market was right here on this black candle, and I told you market can go down and test this imbalance, break this trend line, and test this demand zone right here, and then can have a possible bounce. And similarly, same happened. First, market moved down and then bounced by almost 1500 USD. So today we'll also analyze first 30-minute time frame and then 4-hour time frame. But before we get into the video, I would like to show you my Discord where we separated the signal sections and the discussion sections, obviously separate. We not only trade futures but we also trade spot in our VIP Discord. Today we traded WAN and OM BTC because we are trading in spot with BTC, because I know on longer run trading with BTC pairs are much profitable. So both WAN and OM gave us 10% non-leverage profits. Guys trades live with us and share their views on market and post their screenshot profits, etc. All those stuff we trade live with our students in our students community in Discord. So if you also want to join us on Discord, you can DM us on Telegram or Twitter. Make sure you don't DM any obviously a scammer. There are lots of scammers. So let's start the video. First we will analyze 30-minute time frame, and then we will get into 4-hour time frame, and at the end of the video I would tell you guys what I am expecting. So currently we can see market form price form two equal highs here and then created tons of imbalances by this move, which was filled by this order block right here, and this all imbalances got filled. Usually I tell you guys that imbalances got filled for gets filled for a fair price to maintain equilibrium between buyers and the sellers in market. Price filled this imbalance, breaking this high, creating an order block right here, and then now it's creating what you say this possibly a bear flag or whatsoever it is. But what's happening right now, we can see formation of two trend line. One is here, and obviously the mega one which is below this. So we can see a possible move, consolidation in this purple box, or may consolidate inside in between this high and this order block and this box. Then we might see break of this trend line on first test, because lots tons of liquidity lie below this, and obviously liquidating those trend line traders who are thinking of this trend line to be as a support. Price might break this trend line and comes towards this mega trend line, might find support, some move up, and then entering these two demand zones right here, and then we will trade this move depending on what's happening right in market according to 4-hour time frame. So summarizing 30-minute time frame, what's happening in price can consolidate inside this purple box, or might hit this order block right here, and then it can move down, breaking this trend line, and then it can find support for some time support on this mega trend line, and then can move up and then move towards the lower demand zones or the order blocks or area of liquidity. So this was 30-minute time frame. Let's get into 4-hour and analyze what's happening in market. So based on 4-hour analysis, nothing is special except liquidity, which lies below this and below this. So the idea is quite simple, and it's same as it is on 30-minute time frame. We might see break of this trend line and then break of this trend line. Why would this trend line would be broken? Because tons of liquidity lie below this trend line, which is actually area of imbalance based on 4-hour analysis. So guys, this was today's market analysis video. Hope you guys, it's quite simple for you guys to predict what's the next move. So make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and join us on Telegram.